man, it takes strong, may Allah increase your iman. Alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much. Please welcome Mahasen.
Want the chair?
It's working?
MashaAllah, yes. Now
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum
Welcome to Bolton.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. MashaAllah.
Alhamdulillah. Well, look, before he came to sing, if we can have a bit of
I can go.
because, you know, it's not easy to sing without the rest of the group behind him and all that stuff, so we don't want to, you know, ruin his voice for the rest of the tour. So first of all, before we hear a track from you, tell us a bit about your background.
Well, my name is Maher.
No. Hi, Maher.
And I'm originally Lebanese. I was born in Tripoli, Lebanon. Moved to Sweden when I was 8. I'm 32 years old now, so I lived there for the rest, you know, well, what is it, like 8?
The rest of my life.
The rest of my
8.
life.
Yeah, for the rest of my life.
Okay.
Well, this is basics, yeah. What do you want
Well,
to
listen. What's the first track you want to hear this evening? Can't hear a word they say.
This is the first time I hear this now.
Huh? Okay. One hour time. Maher, you